What's up, YouTubers? Guess what I'm using, guys? The tripod is in. This is a mini tripod, a low to the ground tripod with a couple of extensions that raise it up a little bit. We could probably do it a little bit better, upgrade it maybe in the near future. I don't know, but I wanted to give you a shot using the tripod right now. Then we'll go ahead and get on with the video. What's going on, YouTubers? Hope you're all having an awesome day. I told you in a previous video that I ordered a big tripod and a little tripod. So the little tripod's here, and wow, it's really smaller than I thought it was. So let's open it up. I opened the top. Let's see if we can get stuff out of here. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. No paperwork, no nothing. Came with this, you know, for your phone. Let's take that out of this baggy thing here. These are always good to have. That's the good one with the round copper. A brass fitting in here. Could be copper. No, that's brass. These are the good ones. The ones you get in the Dollar Tree are kind of cheap. This is so you could record with your cell phones, okay? Wow. Small, huh? Fits in the palm of my hand. Oh, wow, that's small. That's small, guys. Wow. Well, you never know what you order online anymore, guys. But this is supposed to open up a bit. Is that everything? That's everything, guys. The metal. Let me see if I get this open in the back here. Oh, that's really nice. That's nice work on there. Look at that. Probably all aluminum. Okay. It's got a little screw there. I'm not really going to mess with that too much. It's got the top piece here, so you can mount a camera on here. Or, in my case, we can mount the cell phone holder onto the tripod to record from the cameras. So, guys, supposedly, wow, that's tight. This is metal. That's pretty cool. Except for the little handle pieces, but you kind of got to get that just right, I guess. I don't know. It's all right for now. It's okay for now. So anyway, guys, here it is. Opened up a little bit. Wow, that's really small, huh? I didn't think it would be that small. But this is supposed to open up. Okay. Not bad. That's pretty cool. I really thought it would open up a little bit more because you see the box. This looks really tall here, right? But it is floating above the ground, so that's a dead giveaway. I figured it'd be a little bit bigger than what it is. You know. They fool you all the time, you know what I mean? Okay, if I'm using my hand, you can see it's not that big, the legs. Not that big, right, guys? But it does collapse, so if you need to get it in a tight spot, you'll be able to get that down there in a tight spot. I didn't think it would be so tiny. I thought it'd be at least, you know, up to my knee, you know, something like that. But it's not. It's really tiny. Take that out one more time, and we'll... Wow, that is tiny. Good for low shots. Definitely. But I mean, that's you know, that's really low. You know, a little bit bigger than my hand. Okay, a little bit bigger than my hand. You know. Not much. Then especially if I close it up, fits in the palm of my hand, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, not too bad of a tripod. I mean, it's pretty cool. You can put this in your pocket, open it up, set it on top of a wall, you know, some type of a wall or something, and you're good to go, ready to go filming. Make sure it don't collapse on you, you know? Good to go filming. I mean, so thanks for watching, guys. Believe it or not, that little thing costs about $5.